Do you think making money from cryptocurrencies requires capital? What if I told you that you can earn money from Binance without investing a single dollar? In this video, I'll reveal real and legitimate ways to earn money from Binance for free, without risk, and without buying any cryptocurrency. But before we begin, remember that these methods aren't promises of getting rich quick, but rather smart strategies for building a gradual and sustainable income. First, earning from the Binance referral program. Binance gives you a commission for every person who registers on the platform using your referral link. Every time someone trades, you automatically receive a percentage of the trading fees. The idea is simple. You don't need capital. You don't need to trade. Just share the link on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, cryptocurrency groups, or even with your friends. The more active users you have, the more you earn. Second, earning from Binance Earn without deposit. Binance offers free rewards through programs such as Learn and Earn, educational tasks, seasonal promotions. All you have to do is watch short tutorials, answer simple questions, and receive free cryptocurrency as a reward. This is one of the easiest ways to earn without any risk. Third, earning from Binance contests and promotions. Binance regularly organizes trading contests, reward challenges, cash prizes for new users. Even without trading, you can participate in events that offer rewards for registering, completing tasks, inviting new users. Fourth, earning from Binance affiliate professionally. If you have a YouTube channel, a TikTok account, a Facebook page, a website, you can create content about Binance Explained, how to buy cryptocurrencies, trading tips for beginners. Then, include your referral link in the description to generate a steady income over time. This method can turn into a steady monthly income if you invest in content wisely. Fifth, earning from trading without capital via a demo account. You can use a demo account on Binance to learn trading without risking your own money. After gaining experience, you can later apply to trader funding companies, trader support programs, where you trade with their funds and receive a percentage of the profits, without risking your own capital. Sixth, freelancing related to Binance. Even if you don't trade, you can earn by managing trading accounts for others, providing trading signals, creating paid educational content, managing cryptocurrency communities. Binance is not just a trading platform, but a complete digital economic opportunity. The important fact: earning free money from Binance is possible, but success requires patience, consistency, learning, and building a smart income stream instead of looking for unrealistic methods. There is no guaranteed way to get rich quick, but there are smart ways to build a real income in the medium and long term. Conclusion: if you want to start profiting from Binance without investment, start today with a small step. Learn, experiment, and be among the few who use financial platforms wisely. If you like this content, don't forget to support the video, and write in the comments if you'd like a practical, step-by-step explanation of each method.